Hi, thanks for watching Match Artist, and today I will be doing a PM facial routine. First, starting with a facial scrubber or an exfoliant, um, a Sonicare, anything you use, scrub brush, going through showing all the rest of the products. I use SkinAuthority Daily Cleanser for my PM face wash. Next, you will need some cotton rounds or cotton balls, anything to apply the toner with. Next would be that toner. I use the Murad clarifying toner. It helps dry out my acne and keep my skin smooth. Next is the Murad resurfacing treatment. I use this as a spot treatment on my zits because it has azelaic acid. Next is the color correction. I use Murad Rapid Age Spot and put this on my red marks. Next is the Youth Renewal Night Cream by Murad, followed by the Retinol Renewal Youth Serum, and the last is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Alright, let's get started. First step is to wet the face with a warm water, not too hot, but we will move to the next step. After this is putting the face wash on that exfoliator. Again, any kind of scrubber will work. And just go around the whole face. Really cleanse. Don't push in too hard to create wrinkles. Avoid the sensitive areas and start always going in an upward motion. This will help prevent wrinkles when you're going with the grain upwards and pulling the skin up instead of pulling it down. And really get those hard to reach areas under the jaw. I get a lot of acne there. Next is rinse that all off very softly until there is no product, and a soft pat to dry. Don't do any harsh rubbing to dry. That can also give you unwanted wrinkles. Our next step after we are totally dry, we are going to tone. I tone with the Murad clarifying toner, and this is how I do it. I just pull my upside down, and voila, I've got just the right amount of toner. I focus on the areas that I would like to dry out, such as the cheeks and jaw where I get the most acne, and continuing with the upward motion. Anything you apply to your face, you want to keep in an upward motion at all times. And getting a little bit on that forehead as well. Spot treatment. This is a big step for me. I go in, I really coat all those acne bumps with a good treatment of any type using benzoid or salicylic acid, anything that's going to clean out your skin, dry out those zits in a safe, effective way. Next is color corrections. I use this. It has a really great product that slowly lightens and bleaches those dark spots on the skin or irregular color spots, and a little bit goes a long way with this stuff. And if you are using anything that lightens the skin or color corrects, bleaches, whatever you want to call it, make sure you are always using sunscreen. It's really important to protect your skin when you are doing corrections. Next is the face serum. I like to put this on so that I can have a good amount, really almost saturated those other areas like my T-zone, absolutely the forehead, around the mouth and the eyes, because anywhere that I can prevent wrinkles, those are the biggest worry spots for me. So I leave a lot on, and I try not to go over any of the areas that has that spot treatments or color corrections drying. Next, I do eye cream. This gives me a chance to allow the other serums to soak in. Always use your ring finger. That is the softest skin, and you want to keep that soft skin around that sensitive skin of your eyes to prevent any unwanted wrinkles. A good amount, pushing it together and just equally getting coverage on both eyes. And again, always going in a soft and gentle upward motion, really saturating those areas that you're concerned about. And the last step here is going to be the renewing night cream. I love this pump. It's so cool. I really get excited to use it, even though it's a silly thing. Cover both of the softest fingers. That's going to be your index and the middle finger. Excuse me, your ring finger and your middle finger. Those are going to give the best even tension as well on the face, but don't ever push in too hard. You really just wanted this just enough so it emulsifies around the face and then has plenty of extra breathing room for your skin to soak that in and to go deep into your pores with all that healthy stuff. All right, and that's the end of my video. I'm so glad you watched. This is my PM, again, my nighttime routine. Thank you. Can't wait to see you next time.